Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Nothing here is financial advice. And the dog and I, Stella, were on a little bit of a walk this morning. The market has been sideways. Bitcoin and altcoins are down. How does that make you feel? Does it make you want to run away from the building or jump into the fire? Have you bought the dip till there's no money left to buy the dip? We're at a turning point in the bull market. This is when you need to maintain strength, conviction, maybe reassess allocations, but don't give up. You're here early. Retail isn't even here yet. So much of this is more of a mind frame than the coins you're buying anyway. Here in America, it's Labor Day. We're supposed to take the day off. I may go on a hike later today. Spend some time with family and celebrate. Do the same. If the markets are bothering you, go out, touch some grass, go on a hike, go on a drive, ride your bike. Doesn't matter. Don't stare at your screen all day long. We'll have plenty of time to do that in the near future. Don't have too much more to add today. Take a minute to look at the Bitcoin price and call it a day. It's Labor Day here in the US. Before we get into talking about Bitcoin, please like and subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and be sure to check out our links below. Help support the channel, especially the free DeFi course offered by Crypto Labs Research. Link in the description. Check it out. But hopefully, if you're an American today, you're not working, you're enjoying your family, maybe the lake, maybe the pool, or just some good times with good friends. Happy Labor Day. This is the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. I don't usually go and look at many low time frame charts, but I did want to show you this last dip that occurred starting Monday-ish. We have dropped from about 65,000, 64.9. And the bottom of this dip got down to about $57,000 last night. Would have loved to pick up a piece of Bitcoin or add to one of my liquidity pools at 57,000, but I was not awake at the time. To be honest, let's zoom out and take a look at the daily, and you'll see that Bitcoin is below the bull market support band. For the last, all through the last week. We're fighting to regain support. Although I would like to point out that we have had a blue cross on the stochastic RSI, which usually is a good sign of an uptrend coming, but it may not be over yet. If you really want to get a better picture of what's going on in the markets, you really need to zoom out. Remember, when in doubt, zoom out. There are so many different good analysts that use that old adage from Wall Street, but it is a good one. So when's in doubt, zoom out. And we're looking at the weekly chart, and guess what? We are still within our channel between 49,000 and 73,000. Now, I'm expecting to see a little bit of pump, but who knows? Maybe we get rejected off the bull market support band and start heading back down towards 49,000. So we're kind of in an in-between period at this time. Because if we don't head back down to 49,000 and we break back into the bull market support band area around, let's say, 61,500, we could regain our momentum here and start trending back up towards the all-time high. Now, I will tell you one thing. As we start trending back towards the all-time high, I will begin executing some of my strategy, which is going to be take some small amount of Bitcoin profits and hold aside into stables for market dips, because it's getting close where the rotation needs to happen, where more of your Bitcoin position, not financial advice, of course, is rotated into altcoins, including Ethereum. But this chart does not look bearish to me. A little bit. It'd look a lot more bullish if we were above the bull market support band, but we're range bound. In fact, I would say we're range bound between 52,000 and 70,000, let's say. So until we break out of that range, we just have to wait. And don't let anyone tell you the time-based capitulation, what's been going on since the beginning of the year. This is what scares people out of the market more so than those massive capitulation events. And if you've been here long enough like me, you look forward to those massive liquidation events when the leverage is flushed out of the market are just excellent buying times in the crypto markets. Before we get out of here, let's take a quick look at Ethereum, because it's about time for me to go to the pool today with the kids. So let's take a quick look at the Ethereum chart. While looking at the Ethereum daily chart, we are still, like we have been, range bound between 2,300 and 2,800. It's been a big decision lately because I think I'm still earning excellent yields on a lot of my Ethereum positions, but it still looks like a lot of the total value lock, a lot of the volume is moving into other chains like Solana. This doesn't mean I'm getting rid of my ETH position at all, but I am considering doing some small allocating into some other chains, although none of those decisions have been made yet for me. Again, not financial advice. Everything I put out here on this channel is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm giving you my plans and my strategies. I am giving you my plans and my strategies, which is not something a lot of other channels will do. You see my actual positions and my actual charts that I'm looking at also. Anyway, as far as Ethereum, I'm comfortable as long as we're staying within the channel between the two yellow lines of 2,100 and 2,800. To be quite honest, we've been even narrowing that. We're kind of bouncing around in between 23 and 2,800 mark. Let's take a quick look at Solana. The market is it's a quiet time in the crypto market right now. It's an extremely quiet time in the crypto market. That's why you would probably be better off going to the lake today than sitting here and listening to me talk about charts and crypto coins. Anyway, here's the Solana chart. We're looking at the daily. We bottomed out last night around 126. My liquidity position has been bouncing in and out of range over the last probably 48 hours. We just had another blue stochastic RSI cross on the daily, and we're about to on the weekly. Possibly, it's hard to say. This is still good. This is still a strong looking chart as far as I'm concerned, but I'd like to see some more steam in Solana. See, people are going to show you like the hour chart on Solana, and you look at this and you're like, holy crap, it is in this massive downtrend. But when we zoom out, remember, when in doubt, zoom out, looking at the weekly, it doesn't look quite as bad. I mean, here's the bottom of the bear. pump one, pump two, and we've been range bound, although we have been putting in some lower highs, this one here and this one here, but I'm still bullish on Solana. So what does this mean? We still got some time, is what this means. So to summarize, Bitcoin is range bound. Ethereum is range bound. Solana is range bound. And the markets are kind of boring, but that's okay. Because these are excellent times to be building the positions that are going to carry our portfolios to the next level during the next leg of the bull. So I hope you all enjoy your Monday. If you're in America, happy Labor Day. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, peace.